So let's talk about Dad and all his accomplishments and achievements and everything that he's done for us as a family.
Yeah.
You know, you and I have Bobby, Mom and Dad, and you, me,
Yep.
a family of 5. Dad had done so much in those years that he was on this earth.
Yeah.
He left his mark.
Yep.
He had people who loved him. I don't know anybody who didn't love Dad.
Right.
I mean, my kids were like ardent fans of his. You know, they were like, Nanu's the best. You know, and you know, the same thing. And you also say whatever you felt. You
Dad
know.
was a man of extremely good character. He earned respect
Yes.
from everybody who he talked to. Everybody who met him, he earned their respect. And he was a gentle, kind soul.
Very gentle soul. Very gentle.
Gentle soul who loved everybody.
Yeah.
And I think God and the world sort of recognized the soul that he had and the character and the person that he was, which is why he lived almost to 100 years of age. It's a very, very small number of people who reach that age. And the fact that Dad lived almost to 100 years of age, it was because it was his payback.
His
Yes,
karams.
it was, he got what he deserved.
Yes.
And he deserved a nice long life for the wonderful family that he created and the work that he did in this world. The kind of work he did for the Indian Army, it was amazing. He was recognized for that with the ranks that he earned and the recognition that he got all through his career. So I think, and he also passed away very peacefully, and I think that was all part of his karma, something that he deserved.
Yeah.
And we are now here in Haridwar with Dad's ashes, which we just picked up, and we are now not involving any pundits or anybody else. No
Because
third
that
person.
is what he would have wanted.
That's what Dad would have wanted.
Yeah.
And so it's just Dolly and me now with his ashes right here. We're going to slowly release the ashes into the Ganges River and release my father's soul so that he can fly away and live forever peacefully. And his soul is always going to be at peace. Because his family here is fully taken care of, and we are fully confident of taking care of managing our family between ourselves. And Dad has done his job. We don't need him to support us anymore. So thank you, Dad.
Yeah. I feel that Papa, you did everything for us. You just go. You go. You're free to go. You don't need to be with us at all.
That's right.
You've done more than your share. You've been a good dad to me, to Tikku, to Bobby. An amazing husband to Mom. And so you had some difficult years the last few years. I wish those days weren't there, but whatever was destined was there. Now you're free to go. Don't worry about Mom. Mom is going to be looked after by me and Tikku. Don't worry at all, Dad. Feel free. Don't feel attached to us. You just go. You've done your journey in this area, in this land. Please feel free. Just go.
And Dad, your children are here with your ashes, releasing you, releasing your soul. And thank you for the life that you lived and the life that you gave all of us. We wish you eternal peace and happiness. And thank you so much for everything that you've done for us.
Love you, Dad. Love you always and love you forever.